Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an amazing tutorial for you on how to import a UDP request config on the SocksIP Tunnel VPN app. This is going to help you enjoy a faster, more secure browsing experience. For more VPN updates, hidden tricks, and resources, be sure to visit our blog. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to support us by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below. Now, let's get started. First, we need to find the required UDP request file. Open your browser and search for UDP and slow DNS files. Look for the official link in the search results and click on it. This will take you to the homepage of the website. Now, click the hamburger menu icon at the top left corner to expand the menu options. From the expanded menu, select UDP config. A small window will pop up. Click on UDP request. The download page will appear with a 10-second countdown. Once the countdown finishes, the download button will be visible. Simply click on it. A page will open with a list of UDP request configs. Select the latest one from the list and click on it. The download page will appear once again. Hit the download button and the file will be saved to your device within a few seconds. Now that we have the UDP request config file, let's move on to installing the SocksIP Tunnel app, if you don't have it already. Head over to the Play Store on your device and search for SocksIP Tunnel. Once you find it, click the Install button, and after a few moments, open the app. Now we're on the app's homepage, ready to move forward. Now it's time to import the UDP request config into SocksIP Tunnel. At the top right corner of the homepage, click on the three dots. Then select the plus icon to open a small window. Here, click on the Import/Export button, and a new window will appear. Tap the Import button. Your device's download folder will now open. Locate the UDP request config file you downloaded earlier and click on it. The file will be imported within a few seconds. Once the file is successfully imported, you're ready to start browsing securely. To activate the VPN, simply click the Start button, and within a few seconds, you'll be connected to a fast and secure internet connection. And that's it! You've successfully imported a UDP request config into SocksIP Tunnel and connected to a secure VPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.